Okay, in this video tutorial we will show you how to install Lawyer WordPress theme step by step. For this, please go to your, if you have, for example, domain name, you need to go on your hosting cPanel like this, and then log in your account. After that, when you log in, you should find File Manager and go to your File Manager, click on it, and you should install. If you would like install it in the root of your server, you should click on Public HTML folder. Then please go to the WordPress original site, WordPress.org, for example, and download latest version of WordPress. And you should upload it in the public HTML folder of your hosting. How to upload it? Should click Upload, then find in your computer WordPress original zip package and click Upload, and it will be there. When you uploaded WordPress original zip package, you should unzip it. Set this file and then click Extract. As you can see, created WordPress folder and extracted in this folder. But we need install template in the root of public HTML folder, not in WordPress folder. For this, please go to enter in this folder, then set all files and folders and drag and drop it in public HTML folder here. Now all files are in the root. What the next step? Next step is you should create base for this WordPress and then user for this base. Please go to your cPanel here again and click MySQL database. Click on this and write name of the base. In our case, it will be law, for example, law or lawyer. Click Create Database. Database has been created and its name is demo user layer. Now we should create user for this database. Scroll down and here write your name. For example, George. I think I already created it. No, okay, George. And write password for this user. And click Create User. User has been successfully created. Go back. Now what we should do? Next step. Next step is that we should give George access on this base, full access. Here is George and here is lawyer base. Click Add and we should give all privileges. Then click Make Changes. Now everything is okay. We have created base, we have created user for this base and give to him all privileges. Now we can start installation process. Please go to your domain and start installation process. Click Continue and here click Let's Go. Here you should write database name. As I remember, database name is this is database name. We can use it here. And then user is George. Okay. Username here. Password I know. Everything is okay. Now we can click submit and run the installation. Right here, title of your website, lawyer or attorney, username for admin area, WordPress admin area, for example, admin. And here we can write standard confirmation, confirm user weak password, your email. Our email is support@greatgun.com, and click install WordPress. WordPress has been installed successfully. Now we can log in our admin area. Username, I have used admin, and password is standard, and click login. We are here in the WordPress. But site, if we click on visit site, we will see this standard WordPress site. Now we should install theme, lawyer theme in the WordPress. What we should do for this? For this, please download your template zip package which you have bought, and unzip it in your computer. It's here. Now then go to the appearance in your WordPress dashboard and themes, click on add new. Then click again upload theme, then choose file and find, just a moment, lawyer, and find template zip package which you downloaded and unzip it in your computer. Here is folder theme. Set this lawyer grid gum and click open, and then click install now. Should wait a few seconds. And now you should click activate. Theme has been activated. Now we should install plugins. Click on plugins, then click add new, click upload plugin, then choose file, go to your template package, and in the plugins folder you need you find two folders, admin panel and FTP. If you upload by FTP, you can install it. First upload by FTP and then install via your dashboard. But we are in WordPress dashboard and in admin panel, and we should set admin panel and find a zip package, plugins zip package here. Click on the first plugin, click open and then install. Then click activate plugin. Then again click add new, upload plugin and install second plugin. Click install now. Then again activate plugin. Now we should install third plugin. Click again upload plugin. Choose file, third plugin. Click install. Again click activate plugin. Now we should install fourth. Click upload plugin, choose fourth plugin. Click install now. Again activate plugin. And now latest plugin, we should install it, upload again, and fifth one, Google Map. Click Install now. It's Google Map. We should wait a few seconds. Click on Activate Plugin. All plugin has been installed successfully. Now we can update to latest version of plugin. Click Update, 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 and Update. Everything is okay. Now we should import XML file. As you know, we have created base. We should install database, new database for lawyer template. For this, please go to settings. No. Just a moment. Tools. Go to tools and click import. You should install first WordPress import. Installing, click install. And then click Run Importer. Here we should click Choose File, and in your template package, you find file, XML file in Import folder. Click on it, open, and upload file and import. Then click Submit. Everything is okay, all done, have fun. Now you should go, just a moment, should go Appearance, Menus, and set My Header Menu here. Check My Header Menu and click Save Menu. Now last step is we should to go settings, then reading, and check home page. Set a static page and then home page, and click Save Changes. Now we can go on the site and refresh it. So as you can see, template has been installed successfully, but we have one problem, Google Map error. If you scroll down, you will see that Google Map doesn't appear in the end of this page. How can we solve this problem? For this, please go to the following URL address: developersgoogle.com, maps, documentation, and JavaScript. Then click Get a Key, set my project, for example, and click Next. Please wait a few seconds and we will get API code. Yes, you can select this API code and copy, or click here and copy this API code, APK. Then please go to your dashboard, click Map, then click Settings, and write here your APK and click Save. Then click Save Settings. Now we can check site, refresh site, and as you can see, everything is okay now. When we scroll down site, we will see Google Map in the end of home page. Yes, that's If you would like to set some colors, you can go to your Google Map, then click My First Map, edit here, and click Themes, for example, then choose this one, save map, then again go and refresh site, and you will see another map, another color of your Google Map. Now, you can, for example, we can set size of this map, click Save Map, again, then refresh site. Yes, we have changed size. Here you can find how to set Google Map location, how to set your company address and location in this Google Map. Just we will check how it works. Yes, it works fine. Our team, news, about us, everything is okay. Blog. We should use first blog and then we will see it here. Now we have not any blog and any post in the template. And contact us page. Everything is okay. Please let us know if you need any further information or help from us. Thank you. Bye.